So let's have a look at the controller now. Agar aap, if you see at the top of the controller here, you'll see is the jog wheel. Now what this wheel does is, it controls the camera of the drone. So the drone, it either, looks down or it looks up. So this wheel, this jog wheel helps you to control the camera. That is one. Acha, ye hai, this is the place you probably just have to pull it up a little bit. 1 second. I may have to hold it with my left hand and show it to you. 1 second. So, see, यहाँ पे you have to place your camera, your phone actually. अगर आप, if you'll see, there are two sockets here, you have the one which is the plain one, and you have the second one which is connected to the controller. So you have to pull this out. अगर इसको आप बाहर निकालेंगे, see, ये जो है, इसको, this gets connected to your mobile. So mobile को आप यहाँ पे place करेंगे slot पे, and this gets connected to your mobile, and this is how you will be able to use your mobile phone while you'll be taking the cinematic scenes. So इसको मैं वापस यहाँ डाल देता हूँ because oh my god, I think I have to, yeah, like this. Okay, it'll go like this. Super. Okay, अब अगर आप यहाँ पे देखेंगे, so this is the home button, यानी जब आप ड्रोन उड़ा लेंगे, so when you have to recall the drone, so you have to, you have to press this button. This is the on and off button. आपका ड्रोन जो कंट्रोलर है वो इससे स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. This is the speed at which you want the drone to fly. So you have the cinematic, which is the slow speed, you have the normal speed, and then you can put it on the sport speed, which is relatively high. So sports के अंदर the only problem is that, as and when the drone takes a left or a right, तो accordingly जो है jerks बहुत ज़्यादा लगेंगे, and the pictures will not be clear. So I suggest when you're taking a cinematic view of an aerial view, I think you should probably put it on the cinematic or the normal view. So I mean, it depends जैसे भी आप shoot करें. This is the on and off button, and इधर अगर आप देखेंगे, so see, just to have a better control, ये आपके, these are the, what do you call it as, 1 second, इसको आप, and you will now be able to access the entire thing in a better way. So जब आप इसको use कर लेंगे, तो use करने के बाद you can actually place it back. ये वापस चला जाएगा इससे. So अच्छा, आपको कंट्रोलर चार्ज करना है तो USB आपकी यहाँ पे आ जाएगी, and you can charge the phones. ऊपर अगर आप देखेंगे, so you have the wheel here. इससे, as I've told you before, you can, the camera will look up or look down. And for the pictures, for the stills, you have to press it once and then click the picture, and then you probably press it again, and then it again comes back to the video mode. So that is it. So that is all about this controller. Achha, since I'm giving you a demo यहाँ पे, so I'm not connecting the drone here. So अगर अभी, what we have to do is, suppose everything is there and you need to start the drone. So what you need to do is, you have to pull these two buttons down and the engine of the drone will start. So what you have to do is, you have to pull these two down, right? And the engine will start. So that is one. Now, if you want to fly the drone, you have to move this up and the drone goes up. So you have to push this. If you want to switch off the engine, you have to pull this down. So I think I'm very clear on this. Acha, and then now with this joystick on the right hand side, if you take it forward, the drone will go in the forward direction. If you take it backward, the drone will go in the backward direction. Similarly, if you take it on the left, the drone will go on the left, and if you take it on the right, the drone goes on the right. That's one. Here, if you push it forward, the drone takes the altitude. That means it goes up. When you push it down, the drone goes down in height. So I think these are the basics that I wanted to tell you. Yeah, one last thing. See, this is the camera button. You know, when you press it, it'll change the modes from a photo shot to the video and back from video to photos. So this is a small button which will help you take whatever shots you want to take. So that is how it is. Now the next part I think will actually be the application part, and I don't know how I'll be able to show it to you since I'm alone in the house. I would have made all the necessary arrangements, but I need somebody to hold the camera. But since I'm alone, so I'm so sorry for not being able to show you the exact demo. But let's see. I'll take some time and then I'll get back to you with the drone shots, and that's how it is. So today is Holi, and I wish you all a very happy Holi, and stay safe. Thank you so much for watching, and that's about it. सो कंट्रोलर के बारे में मैंने आपको ऑलमोस्ट काफ़ी कुछ बता दिया है, और अब मैं इसको, ये देखिए, दिस इज़ द बैटरी पोर्ट. हाँ, और मैं अब ये बैटरी जो है, हाँ, ये आई जस्ट ट्राई एंड इंसर्ट. ये द बैटरी गोज़ एंड जस्ट इंश्योर दैट दिस इज़ लॉक्ड प्रॉपरली, right? So now what you need to do is press it once to see the battery is full, and then you probably have to press it for long, but उससे पहले आपको इसके wings खोलने पड़ेंगे. So that needs to be done. See, these are the front wings. Come on, baby. Yes. और ये हो गए इसके back wheels. The back wings or the wheels, whatever you want to say. So you press it once and then you press it again. See? So now this is activated and ये बिल्कुल तैयार है अब to fly. So what I have to do now is I have to connect it to the app. और कंट्रोलर मैंने चार्ज कर लिया था, वो मैंने आपको बता दिया है. ऐप के लिए आई हैव टू गो थ्रू इट, बिकॉज ऐप जो है दैट इज़ यू हैव टू स्टडी इट इन डिटेल टू कनेक्ट इट विद दी, बट इट्स अ मोबाइल ऐप, सो आई डोंट नो हाउ आई विल बी एबल टू शो यू दैट, बट एनीवेज आई विल ट्राई टू. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट इज़. आपका ड्रोन इज़ रेडी टू फ्लाई एंड वी जस्ट हैव टू कनेक्ट इट विद दी ऐप एंड देन and since I'm a non-tech guy, तो मैं ऐप के बारे में आपको बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं बता पाऊँगा, but let me go through it once and I'll come back to you on this, right? Thank you.